Inequality operators on date values. These operators work on date values too. The following query will bring rows whose date values are earlier than May 6th, 2007. I am using lesser than symbol here. Lesser means earlier. Select first name, last name, salary, hire date from employees where hire date is lesser than 6th May 2007, and this will bring me the results with the rows that has dates that are earlier to 6th May 2007. Okay, 2003, 2005, January 2006. And the following query will bring rows whose date values are after 6th May 2007. For that, I am using greater than symbol. Greater means after. Okay, we see the results from 2007, 2008. So that's how the inequality operators work on date values. Thank you for watching.